Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to organize that information into a data table. It's a great way to make the data easy to understand and compare. Let's get started. So here we are in ChatGPT. Let's say you're interested in getting recent information on semiconductor or chip stocks. I'll show you how you can do this in just a few simple steps. I'll start by typing recent chip stocks to get the latest data on popular chip companies like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. Let's hit enter, and here we have it. ChatGPT provides us with the recent updates on major semiconductor companies, including stock prices and any notable news. Now, if you want to make it easier to compare, you can ask ChatGPT to display this information in a data table. I'll type, "Can you show this information in a data table?" and hit enter. And there you have it, a simple, organized table showing each company's name, stock price, and recent performance. This table is super useful if you're analyzing multiple companies at once. It lets you compare stock prices side by side and understand the market trends more easily. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to get data on chip stocks and then organizing it into a data table is really simple and convenient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.